Listen closely, because today's story begins with a single moment, a moment that changed a young woman's entire future. The busy morning. Mira is walking fast down a crowded street. Her heels hit the ground sharply. She is stressed, tired, and late for work. She does not look around. She does not notice the warm sun. She does not notice the people passing by. Her mind is full of deadlines and pressure. At the same time, an elderly woman, Mrs. Timber, steps out of a small bakery. She carries a paper bag filled with fresh bread. She walks slowly and carefully. Then it happens. Mira turns the corner quickly, and she bumps into the elderly woman. The bread falls. The bag tears. Warm loaves roll across the sidewalk. Both women gasp. The slap. Mira's stress explodes. She does not think. She reacts. "Watch where you're going!" she shouts. Mrs. Timber tries to speak, but before she can say anything, Mira raises her hand and slaps her. The sound is loud. People stop walking. A child stares. A man drops his coffee. Mrs. Timber touches her cheek gently. She does not shout. She does not argue. She only looks at Mira with sad, disappointed eyes. Mira suddenly realizes what she has done. Her anger disappears. Fear replaces it. I didn't mean, she begins. But Mrs. Timber quietly picks up the torn bag and walks away. Mira stands frozen. The dinner invitation. That evening, Mira's boyfriend, Daniel, calls her. "I want you to meet someone important tonight," he says. Mira feels nervous but excited. Maybe this means their relationship is becoming serious. At the restaurant, Daniel smiles warmly. He holds her hand. "I want you to meet my mother," he says. Mira's heart jumps. His mother? Tonight? Daniel looks toward the entrance. Here she comes. Mira turns her head, and her stomach drops. Walking toward them is the same elderly woman she slapped that morning. The truth. Mrs. Timber stops at the table. She recognizes Mira immediately. Her eyes widen slightly. Daniel smiles proudly. "Mira, this is my mother. Mom, this is Mira, the woman I want to marry someday." Mira feels dizzy. Her hands shake. She stands quickly. "I am so sorry," she says. "I behaved terribly. I was stressed, but that is not an excuse. Please forgive me." Daniel looks confused. "You two know each other?" Mrs. Timber nods. "Yes. We met this morning." Mira lowers her head. "I am truly sorry." There is a long silence. Then Mrs. Timber gently touches Mira's hand. "Everyone makes mistakes," she says softly. "What matters is whether we learn from them." Mira looks up, surprised. "You forgive me?" Mrs. Timber smiles kindly. "Yes, but I hope you will be more patient in the future." A new beginning. During dinner, the tension slowly fades. They talk about food, travel, and Daniel's childhood. They laugh. They share stories. When the evening ends, Mrs. Timber places a gentle hand on Mira's shoulder. You have a good heart, she says. Just remember to breathe before you react. Mira smiles with relief. As she walks out of the restaurant with Daniel, she feels grateful. She made a terrible mistake, but she was given a second chance, and she will not waste it. Vocabulary list: elderly, old, in later years of life, apologize, to say sorry for something, stress, a feeling of worry or pressure, react, to respond quickly without thinking, respect, polite and kind behavior toward others, responsibility, something you must take care of or do, forgive, to stop feeling angry at someone who made a mistake,